I am at the end of the table so you can see me. Not that you need to. And I have some tape here. It's not the best tape, but it will help pull this together. Okay, there. There's one side secured, and let's secure another side. While I'm peeling tape here, I'm going to look for the Scotch tape, which is be a lot easier. Oh, there it is. See, I told you the way to find something is stop looking for it. All right, and I found it. It just rolled across the floor. So now I can finish off the bottom of my teapot, and it's highly irregular, but that's because I'm not working with the precision tool of the X-Acto knife. But I'm going to lay this on top of here to create the top of my tea kettle. And there I have a nice faint circle that I can cut out. So the teapot itself has a lot of curves, and especially as a teapot is curved from where the spout is down this way, and I don't know if there's a way that I can manipulate the crystal board to achieve that effect. But this in itself right here, maybe I won't make a teapot. I'll just make a structure that's something like this that I could attach different interesting textures to. In fact, I'm liking that idea. I'm also thinking that I could build on this. I could make this a tower-like structure. The leaning tower of texture. There's a concept where I can, instead of building a vertical column, I can offset the columns, but the more I do that, the more I'm going to get into the cantilevered effect, which causes instability, which has to be compensated for. The person who critiqued my building from Module 1 found that the structural brace that ran across the top of it was not similar enough to the rest of the elements of the design to the point that it was distracting. And I understand that. Now, if this was going to be a teapot, I would have to build a handle like this. But I'm thinking that I'm going to go with some kind of tower-like structure that would have lots of surfaces to show off texture. Okay, now I remember using my mixed media paper to create this right here. I'm going to take another piece out of it. There's my sketches. There are my sketches. Take another piece, cut it lengthwise, and build a second structure or second level of this basic structure on top. And again, I'm using scissors because of, all right, yesterday's injury. Now here is a situation where we could use different lengths of cylinder to perhaps good effect, to create variety in the design. And here I'm going to use the tension, just occurred to me, to use the tension of this coiled up paper to tape it wherever I like and use the material or the properties of the material to its best advantage. I don't know if that will work with Bristol board, but the thing is, with Bristol board, I'm not sure that you can make curves